Okay, so what I like, we're at 4 weeks right now. 4 weeks in surgery, more or
Thursday will be
less.
4 weeks.
Thursday will be 4 weeks. Um, this super lightweight, super handy. You have one at home.
Right.
I want you to do it just like this in the sense that your foot is on top of the pedal. You're not inside the strap, so you can stop whenever you want. You take your foot off whenever you want. What I always ask my clients to do, I'm going to kind of straighten it just a little bit. So now from where you're looking down, you should be able to see inside of both ankles. Your knee should be in line with or a little bit wider than the pedal.
Yeah, I can see this ankle, but not this.
Right, so hold that position. Bring your knee to the outside.
This
Yes.
way. Okay.
You had it. Bring it back out. There you go.
Okay.
Give it a spin.
Okay, I can see it.
Perfect.
But I sort of have to peek.
Yeah. So think of keeping that a little bit wide.
Okay.
Go ahead. Go around. There you go. And you usually what I say at home is you do like 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay.
You don't have to do an hour. You do 3 to 5 minutes. You do 3 rounds a day.
Okay.
That's it. That's all I'm asking.
Okay.
So I'm going to keep homework super simple. I'm going to say you're going to do 3 rounds of the bike, 3 to 5 minutes,
Okay.
and you're going to give me the rolling pin massage,
Okay.
either before or after, doesn't matter.
If it's not as heavy as that one.
Doesn't
it will be.
matter. That's fine.
Okay.
It's fine.
Okay. I
But
got that.
each time you do the bike, you do the rolling pin, and that's all I'm asking.
Okay. Do the bike first.
Doesn't matter. It's
It
usually
doesn't-
better to do the bike first and then the rolling pin after as like a
Okay.
cool down. You're already on your feet, but I always encourage people like get up. If you're drinking enough water, you have to go. You have to go to the bathroom.
Yeah.
That's getting you on your feet as much
Yeah.
as you need, so that's totally
Yeah.
fine.
I try to drink a lot of water.
How's that feeling?
Feels pretty good.
Good. Okay.
Doesn't hurt at all.
Good. That's what we want.
It doesn't hurt.
You know, I want you to know you're doing something, see the movement happening.
I mean, I know I can feel it's moving.
Right.
But it's not like excruciating pain.
Right. We'll
I know
go
when I did mine at home, that little thing keeps moving. The little machine, it keeps rolling.
sliding or what do you-
Yeah.
yeah. Sometimes what you do is you put it up against like a wall
Okay.
and then you just bring the chair to it,
Okay.
so you just want to be sure you're in a stable chair that won't tip.
Okay. I've not done it, but he
Yeah.
brought it to me to use because he had 2 hips put in last year. He said,
Okay.
you won't have to buy one for your home exercise. I'll
Yeah.
bring you mine.
Yeah, no, they're great.